Exterview is an agentic talent intelligence platform backed by Microsoft. Most ATS systems are systems of record. They track applications. Exterview is an AI native system of intelligence. We handle AI job creation, AI interviews, and end-to-end talent intelligence, so teams can make faster, more confident hiring decisions. From hello to selected, the entire flow is AI first. By building a platform natively with AI, we have reduced average hiring cycles from 30 days to 3 days. Every stage is intelligent, structured, enterprise-ready, and fully agentic. There are 10 specialized agents on the platform, beginning with role intelligence and moving through matching, resume analysis, phone screening, voice and avatar interviews, coding assessments, panel rounds with an ambient co-pilot, decision leaderboard, HR negotiation, and background verification. Each agent is configurable and adapts to your hiring workflow. Starting with the phone screening agent, questions are customizable. Voice and avatar interviews can be configured with branded voices, including trained recruiter voices. We can generate hyper-realistic recruiter avatars to create a consistent employer brand experience. For panel rounds, you can assign your own panel or use an assisted panel with an AI co-pilot guiding the session. The HR round agent evaluates candidate intent, alignment, and offer readiness. The entire platform is natively built on AI and Azure infrastructure. Let me jump into the demo. Once you log in, this is the welcome screen where you can see newly released features. This is the recruiter dashboard. At the top, quickly track your entire pipeline from total candidates and AI screening through final hires, alongside your overall time to hire. Moving down, the candidate outcome distribution and hiring funnel visualize your conversion rates, while cancellation insights help you identify drop-off reasons. In the agent inbox, you can track real-time candidate progress, scores, and decisions. This opens the Agent Reports tab. Here, you can review comprehensive data on AI-generated sessions across all interview formats, monitor overall agent performance, and ensure fair hiring practices using our real-time bias monitoring and responsible AI metrics. Switching to the Recent tab provides a quick snapshot of your latest active jobs, enterprise customers, and candidate activities. Finally, the Tasks tab streamlines your day. Manage immediate next actions, like sending offers on the left, and leverage smart agent recommendations on the right to advance or nudge top talent with just a click. To minimize distractions and get a broader view of your data, you can activate focus mode using the toggle at the top right. Notice how the side navigation disappears, giving you a clean, full-screen experience. In this mode, you can still seamlessly navigate through all your main tabs, exploring your agents, recent activity, and tasks with maximum screen real estate. When you are finished diving into the details back on the Overview tab, simply click the Focus Mode toggle again to instantly bring back your standard navigation menu. Now let me create a job to show you the flow. You can create a job by uploading a file or entering a single line prompt. You can enhance the prompt using rich context. Once you click Continue, the system generates the full job configuration from that single paragraph. You can see the job title, number of openings, deadlines, and scoring model. You can configure the evaluation rubric here. Select the customer. Define location, notice period, and the AI benchmarking score. Here, I am setting the benchmark at 70. On the right side, you configure the agents. You can enable phone, avatar, voice, and panel rounds. You can also publish the job to careers. The job description is fully generated and editable. You can see the defined skills. Here, 3 required skills were detected and configured. Next is performance-based criteria for evaluation. Click Continue. All interview questions are generated instantly. You can see technical, behavioral, and logical questions across panel, AI, and HR rounds. You can add custom questions to any round. The AI can also generate suggested questions. You can edit questions and sample answers based on your standards. Click Continue to add candidates. Candidates can be imported from your database or connected through ATS integrations. After uploading resumes, the system analyzes each profile against the job description. This is critical for high-volume hiring. Here you can see candidate ranking. Harsha is at 53% for this role. Click the resume to view detailed scoring across skills, experience, and work history. Select candidates and click Continue to trigger notifications.
You have been shortlisted for the AI engineer role. Is this a good time to talk?
Yeah, certainly.
Thank you, perfect. What is your current notice period and are you currently serving? Glad I could help with your screening. Have a wonderful day.
Let's take a look at a snippet of an AI voice interview.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great, thank you.
That's great to hear. Can you please introduce yourself and tell me a bit about your background? Thank you for the detailed explanation. I appreciate how thoroughly you described the steps involved. Kritika, thank you for your time and thoughtful responses today.
Next, AI avatar interview.
Hello, Tammy Sanity. Thanks for joining us today. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great, thank you.
That's great to hear. Can you please introduce yourself and tell me a bit about your background? On the right track with techniques like dropout and batch normalization to prevent overfitting. Thank you, Tanvi, for your time today and for your thoughtful responses.
Next, human interview.
Hi Aditya, how have you been doing?
Hi Kritika. Thank you so much. I've been doing great.
So let's quickly go ahead with the questions. So as soon as the candidate answers to the question and me as an interviewer clicking on the generate feedback button, instantly a feedback is being generated with the corresponding scoring.
Now let me show a job with completed rounds. This is the recruiter view. Let us review Sai Teja. You can see the phone screening score. You can also see the AI interview score. Click the agent report. Here you see structured AI feedback, strengths, weaknesses, and the interview playback. You can access the transcript, skill ratings, asked questions, resume, and job description. The full report is downloadable as a PDF. Panel round is pending. You can assign an interviewer or conduct the HR round. Once all rounds are complete, open the leaderboard. This is where ranking happens. You see all completed rounds and total score benchmarks. You can review playback, skill feedback, transcripts, and individual reports. Sai Teja has completed the HR round and is recommended for this role. Now let me show the new Unified Candidate Report rolling out this month. This report covers the entire Hello to Selected lifecycle. Starting with resume intelligence, you see candidate details, key KPIs, rubric-based scoring, job description, and customer information. We also include an SLA tracker for approval workflows. Next is the phone screening agent. You see a summary of experience, positive signals, risk indicators, and rationale. You can play the audio, view question-level responses. We capture metadata such as role fit, availability, preferences, transcript, and linguistic analysis. Next is the AI interview. This includes voice or avatar interaction. You get structured summary, strengths, areas of concern, and decision rationale. We also measure candidate sentiment, engagement, communication quality, and personality indicators. You can view highlights or full video playback. Fraud detection is embedded. We monitor integrity signals, including lip sync, face detection, liveness checks, voice authenticity, tab behavior, keystroke analysis, eye tracking, voice biometrics, stress indicators, multi-voice classification, and linguistic variability. All questions, scores, transcripts, and analytics are visible. Next is the panel round. You see summary, hiding signals, risks, and detailed skill ratings. Panel alignment shows how interviewers evaluated the candidate collectively. Skill assessments can be downloaded from platforms like HackerRank. You also see assessment analytics, questions, and transcripts. The final stage is the HR round. Here we evaluate cultural alignment and offer readiness. We analyse likelihood of joining based on the HR discussion. You see offer details and background verification status. We collect required documents and integrate with third-party providers such as Checker and Equal for verification and compliance. US compliance questions, including EEO, are recorded with transcript visibility. Once all stages are complete, internal teams can use chat for collaboration and final comments. Activity logs capture every event in the lifecycle. The Hello to Selected tracker shows how quickly the candidate progressed. Our goal is 3 days. The SLA tracker enables compliance reporting to leadership and CXO teams. This is how Exterview enables enterprises to run fully agentic hiring flows, from JD intelligence to screening, interviews, leaderboard decisions, HR negotiation, and compliance verification. We are built on Microsoft Azure, aligned for enterprise governance across India, the US, and Europe. We welcome the opportunity to run a pilot. Give us a few roles, and we will demonstrate how your team can move from 30 days to 3 days using Exterview agents. Thank you.